Carpet's great for many reasons, but the main one for me is just something about it makes it feel like home. Now it's time to do something I've been waiting on for months. We have to be the only bus in the world with a ceiling fan on the ceiling. Then it was back to the bathroom to install a bidet smart toilet, give the ceiling a coat of paint, install the dual shower heads and controls. This tile has no business being in this bus, but we don't care because it's gotta go in the bus. Pops in. This is crazy. This is crazy. So many things we had no idea what we were doing. But you know, a lot of times if you just commit to a goal and stick with it no matter what, you'll be surprised by the end result. The bus was starting to look amazing on the inside, but on the outside, it still looked the same as it did 6 months ago.